Y'all already know the vibes, man. Hey, we gonna be doing something different though, y'all. We gonna be, you know, it's a sad day once again, man. It's a sad day. You feel me? My baby right here, the Banshee. What did we doing last time? Balling? It balled out on us a little bit. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? They know everything still got the V-Touch though. Everything still got the V-Touch, y'all. But you know, we gonna have to do a little carburetor clean on the bike real quick. You know what I'm saying? On the Banshee, y'all. I ain't cleaned my carburetor probably like two years probably. Probably a year. I'll say a year and a half. I ain't cleaned my carburetor. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, last time I was hanging out on it a little bit. It balled out. It balled out on me, y'all. I only cleaned the carburetors one time on this bike. Yeah, which was 2 years ago, one time. So I already know what time it is. It's time for me to clean the carburetor once again. But I don't know. I haven't been I ain't been too much even riding or too much. But it's definitely we gonna we're gonna do the basics, pull the seat off. You know what I'm saying? Get to those carburetors in there, see what's going on. See why is it balding. Still got the original carburetor still on the bike. Yeah, y'all. So we got the carburetor bowls off right here, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna have to blow through. We're gonna blow through all the holes on the carburetor real quick with pressure hose. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna blow through all the holes. We're gonna blow through all the holes with the carburetor. Everything. Gotta get this side too, y'all. Gotta get both of the carburetors evenly. That's why it'd be scary when you have a two-stroke sitting. You gotta make sure you get jets. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get these little jets right here. Definitely gotta get these jets. That's why, but having a two-stroke sitting it'd be real scary. Especially if you got a lemon already. Yeah, see mine already not bad, you know what I'm saying? Mine not bad. Mine not bad. I take care of my two-strokes. That feels good, though. I ain't gonna count. That feels good. You want some? Yeah, well. my hip out or something, climbing through all this stuff. But yeah, y'all already know about that thing. All you really want to do is put all the jets and stuff back in. So yeah, I'm gonna throw all these jets back in real quick, y'all. All the stuff on the carburetors. I got them separated, the floats and everything. Then I'm gonna throw the carburetors back on the bike. You already know we're gonna trap back in. As y'all can see, it's raining out here. You know what I'm saying? The rain coming down, getting soaked. But I done got the you know, I done put everything back together on the Banshee. You gonna see if that thing got that V-Touch. See if it's first kick, I just clean the carburetor. Let's see. Yeah, first kick. Tires won't stop slipping. Yeah, the street tires keep slipping. I ain't gonna feel good though. Feel good. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. Look good to you? How it look? It look like it's running good?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Y'all already know the fire. It needed that though. It needed that clean up real quick. I ain't gonna lie, I hate this rain. This rain is coming out. Like, feel like a mini shower a little bit out here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think though.